Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial, and today we're gonna show you how to make Mickey Mouse in Infinite Craft. This is very easy. So first, we're gonna grab fire and then more fire and more fire. To have lava, then we add water to have stone, then leave this aside. Then we add water and water and water and more water to have fish. Then add the fish to the stone, so we have fossil. So now we're gonna add earth to have oil and add fire and more fire to have engine. Then we add oil again to have car. Leave this aside. We grab water and then add earth to a plant. Add more plant to have tree. We add fire to have ash. Then we add tree to have pencil. Then we add earth again to have drawing. And add this to the car to have cartoon. Then we add earth to have Mickey Mouse. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.